and gentlemen, this is Miss Mary Jo from the Detroit Public Library's Franklin branch, and I am here today to show you an easy craft to make for your mom with supplies you probably already have lying around the house. First of all, you are going to need a piece of paper, you are going to need a pair of scissors, and you are going to need some glue. And then to make it into the finished project, you will need some thread, you will need a twist tie, and you might need a piece of broken jewelry. So let's get started. Oh, and you'll need a pen. So what you want to do is you want to take your pen apart to get to this little bit in the middle. Then you are going to take your paper and you are going to cut it. So some of the shapes that you can use are a triangle. You can do a diamond, or you can do a straight line. The straight line gets you a bead that looks like this. And the diamond gets you a bead that looks like this. So what you're going to do is you are going to take your pen and you are going to take your piece of paper and you are going to wrap it around the inside of your pen. The easiest shape to do is really the triangle, and it makes a really pretty shaped bead. So you need to get that flat on there first. And then you roll it up. Try and keep it kind of even. And when you get to the very end, you are going to put a dab of glue on it. You don't want to use too much glue. And the size of the paper is up to you. Mine are probably about 7 inches long, I'd say. And when you are all done, sometimes they need to dry for a minute or two. Sometimes it'll be dry enough to just pull right off of there. I'm going to let this one dry. I have some other ones I made earlier. And what you want to do is you want to cut yourself a piece of thread. You want to cut it twice as long as you think you're going to need. And you want it nice and long because Mom's got to fit it over her head because there's no clasp on here. And then you're going to take your twist tie and you are going to cut that little metal bit right out of the middle with your scissors. And when you are all done, you'll end up with a skinny piece of metal that looks like this. What you're going to do is put that over the edge of your thread and fold it in half, and that will work like a needle for your jewelry. So whatever beads you have to fit through that needle. So in this case, we have our beautiful red beads that we made. And these are the bits of beads I found in the back of my jewelry box. And we got that, and another one of our pretty red beads. And when you are all done, you are just going to put a knot in the end of it, and it is a beautiful necklace for your mom. Watch for more great crafts for Mother's Day on our channel. Looking forward to seeing you again soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.